Today I need to have an angel hair pasta. You just follow the direction from the box and make it. I need a chicken broth. I need some chicken, vegetable oil, salt and pepper, Worcestershire sauce, brandy. If you don't have a brandy, you can do marsala wine, 1 large onion. I just had this size, so I'm using 2. I need the fresh garlic, whipping cream, and Dijon mustard, and a sliced mushroom. I use just a regular white mushroom. Okay, I warm up my scale with the 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and I put my chicken breast. This is a skinless, boneless, thinly sliced chicken breast, and I'm gonna fry it in both sides. We're gonna add some salt and pepper on each side. Okay, when both sides of the chicken fried, we remove it. Totally I had 5 slices of the chicken, which I cut it in the half. You're gonna finish cooking in the sauce, so you don't have to fully cook it right now. Gonna remove this, put my mushroom. This is 1 package of mushroom. Okay, I'm gonna add now 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, and I'm gonna wait till it melts down. Meanwhile, I'm gonna add my chopped onion. It was 1 large or 2 small. Add salt and pepper. This is black pepper. Salt. Gonna mix it, and I'm gonna wait till onion get translucent. Okay. I'm gonna add my garlic. That is 2 large garlic. Gonna wait to garlic fry. Okay, I'm gonna turn off this. And I'm gonna remove it from the heat. This is my brandy. It's a small bottle, and it's 1/4 cup, 1/4 of the cup. Make sure when you put alcohol in, it would be off of the fire. Stay back and very carefully add it to your dish. My heat is off right now. Otherwise, the fire comes out. Okay, I'm gonna mix it. It deglaze my pan and bring all the flavor together. I smell the brandy. Turn the heat back on. And I need to add 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. And between 1/2 tablespoon to teaspoon you could add Worcestershire sauce and mix it in. You could do between 1 to 2 cups of chicken broth. I'm gonna start with 1 cup. And I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. Mixing. My pasta is boiling, it's almost ready. I'm gonna add 1 more tablespoon butter and mix it in, and 3 tablespoons of sour cream. 3 tablespoons. And mix it in. We're gonna test it for salt and pepper. I like to have a little bit more. Salt, pepper. Then I'm gonna put the chicken back in. And I'm gonna wait to finish cooking chicken. This is in medium-low heat. I'm gonna put the lid on for a few minutes until pasta is ready and the chicken fully cooked. Okay, my food is ready. Gonna serve it with pasta. I'm gonna make a plate now. Okay, I plate my dish over. I put the chicken and the sauce over my pasta, which I just followed the direction on the packaging, and I am garnish it with a chive. You could do flat leaf parsley if you like. And it's ready. Let's look at it. I'm gonna move it in the circle. Isn't that beautiful? Thank you very much for watching, and let me know what you think. Okay, my dish is ready. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And I did garnish it with chive.